Welcome back, Fun Fam, and if you're brand new to the channel, welcome in to Follow the Bradley's Fun. My name is Ron E. Bradley, and I hope that wherever you are, you're having a phenomenal day. Speaking of the day, as of the recording of this, today is the 10th day of June, 2024, and we're here, the brand new Communicore building, finally open at Epcot. We're going to check that out and anything else that might be new, so come along with us and follow the Bradley's Fun!
Back at Epcot, Spaceship Earth, my favorite park icon.
Walking in right at 1 p.m. and Spaceship Earth has a 25-minute wait at this point in time right now. Let's go check out that new Communicore. Real quick good note as I walk past this area behind Journey of Water that used to smell so bad. At least right now, the smell is fixed. Look, I can breathe. How nice is that? Thanks for coming in today, guys. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed, and be sure and click that notifications bell, because when you click it, you stick it to the YouTube algorithm, and you'll be notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun. Now let's check out this wall that they've opened behind Walt. I've seen other things about this. This is the first time I've seen it in person. I don't know why they had this blocked off, if they were working on it, but this is it. There's, Epcot Designs. Q*bert. Looks like Q*bert. Remember that game, Q*bert? Back in the 1980s? I'm only putting this in the vlog for my wife, my beautiful wife, Virginia, who loves these flowers. All right, I'm coming at this from the center of Epcot. Here is the merry-go-round thing that is supposedly a show uncovered but not being used at the very moment. And there it is, the revealed Communicore building, where we have the Mickey and Friends meet and greet. And this is my first look at it, so this will be your first look at it. Well, you might have seen other videos, I don't know. But at least on this vlog. What's fun and maybe ironic about this is that this is a festival building. This is supposed to be the festival center, and they opened it in between festivals. Maybe that's so they can figure out how to use it before the food and wine opens. But here they have festival favorites, even though there's no festival going on. And there is the backside of the stage that's going to be first used for the Encanto show. Cute little drum set they got set up there. Well, the band is ready to go. Well, okay, the band instruments are ready to go. There's no band here. My first treat, this new Communicore. Free water. Yay! Gotta stay hydrated, people. Free water, that's important. Where's my light? Where's my light? Look what they have right now. Cheese stuffed arepa with cilantro lime crema, cotija, and then there's also one with chicken and avocado. That is pollo and aguacate, or a coconut tres leches. Muy bien. As a huge fan of Figment, I'm very happy to see Figment prominently on this wall. But this is also cool. They got Guardians of the Galaxy up there. They got, what is this? I want to say Horizons is what that looks like. Or World of Motion it could be. They got, this is like, very cool. Dreamfinder represented. Pretty cool mural. I like it. I am now viewing this area from the side of the construction wall that I never would have been able to before. Pretty cool. Let's go check out the front, what this little stage looks like from the front. Celebracion Encanto! So from what I can tell, there's just a few little seats and tables back in this area. I don't know if they're gonna put more back here. There's plenty of room for more, but not much actual physical seating to like sit down. Everything else is like lawn seating, so I don't know if that's gonna change or if that's gonna stay the same, if it's gonna be standing room for these shows, or if they're going to change that. But there's plenty of room to bring seats in if they need to, I suppose. So maybe they will for special events. The show is marked as being at 9:45, 10:45, 11:45, 1:25, 2:25, and 3:25 p.m. So we'll check it out when it comes out. For now, let's go check out the inside of Communicore Hall. We haven't been in it yet.
To join us for Celebracion Encanto. This performance is best experienced from the grass, so please stay clear of the center aisle. Get ready to sing along, porque la fiesta begins in just 10 minutes.
So I guess they are doing the Encanto show. I'll go back out there and check it out. This space is not nearly as big as the old festival centers were, so I'm very curious as to kind of how they're going to use it when the festivals come along. For right now, it's just people coming inside and getting some air conditioning. If you look, you'll notice it's very bland. Now, I'm not sure. There's like literally almost no theming inside here except for the flags up above, but it kind of looks like a hospital cafeteria. It is what it is. It's an open space with air conditioning, so. But the funny thing is, it's like no more exciting than the building that was here before where everybody would sit down. But they got tables in, which is good. You can sit down and you can cool off. Yay. So this outdoor show is about to start in 100-degree heat with very little covering for anybody to get under. They've got umbrellas, and if you're not in the party, you can't get under an umbrella. This is interesting. I'll turn the camera around just so you can see the crowd. Opening day. Remember, this is opening day here, guys. This is the crowd. I would say there's at least 50 people, maybe 75. I don't know if it breaks 100. It might. I'm not counting every head. These cast members are keeping people off the walkway and on the grass.
You got it. Oh my god, all these flowers, they smell so good. The bunnies are so beautiful. They don't call this area World Celebration for nothing.
Girl, I know that's right.
And today we are celebrating the magic of Encanto. That's right. And the amazing family madrigal with a big fiesta. We will sing, cantaremos. We're gonna dance. Bailaremos. It is going to be fantastic. You get a primo, we all get primo. Wow. Oh yeah. Drawers. Floors. Doors. Let's go. This is our home. We got every generation. So full of music, rhythm, tone, and design. This is my family, a perfect constellation. So many stars and everybody gets to shine. Whoa. Let's take Mirabel while I run this show. Whoa! She let us here so many years ago. Whoa! And every year our family blessings grow. It's just a lot you simply got to know. So, welcome to the family madrigal, the home of the family madrigal. I know it sounds a bit fantastical and magical, but I'm part of family madrigal. To that fell in love with family madrigal. Abuela madrigal, let's go, let's go. Wow, we've got some great singers out there. And I totally nailed it.
Look at this crowd on the first day of this show. Wow.
Now, who are the stars of Bruno's theatrical productions inside the Plaza Festival?
For the record, while the show is going on outside, there's actually more people inside waiting in this air-conditioned Communicore Hall. Oh my goodness. Wow. And now I'm exiting this side of the Communicore Hall, which exits to bathrooms you can't get to. That building is bathrooms that are in the Journey of Water once you're going through it. But I'm going to turn around so you can see the outside of the Communicore Hall. Looks better lit up at night, I can tell you that. Well, the monorail's a nice thing to see, right? You still have that. Yay, monorail! You go, monorail, you go. I love my upside down waterfall. That is classic Epcot right there. No festivals going on right now except for a festival type show, which is not what I thought it was going to be. Not sure why they have this walkway blocked off, but they do for some reason. This tree's really pretty. There's that. Flower and garden is gone, so they took out all the beautiful flower decor that they had here. And now they've got new sod laid on it that clearly needs to be watered. It's supposed to rain today. Hopefully that'll help because it needs to get green. Just in case you paid $175 for that day ticket to Epcot and you want to play cornhole, here you go. This sightline is greatly improved now that Harmonious is gone. I always wanted to see it without any type of festival or anything, and no festivals going on right now, and it's nice to see the World Showcase like this again. To say that I'm underwhelmed by everything I've seen over there at Communicore would be a massive understatement. By comparison to the new Communicore Hall, look at the restaurant Marakesh. This is being used as the pass holder lounge. Look at the artistry. Look at the ceiling. The lights. It's amazing. And a cast member just told me that every single one of these tiles was individually hand cut. At the time, the president of Morocco or king of Morocco or whoever it is said that it's the imperfections that give it life. They just don't have the artistry now like they did back then. I love this. So cool. By the way, Jeannie's over here meeting right now. But right now, this is just an annual pass holder lounge. Just another example of what Imagineering used to be like, just here in the Morocco Pavilion. There's too much to show you just in the short vlog, but just comparatively speaking to what they're doing today. And then here's a look at the new planters that they put out. I don't particularly know, because the fountain is still behind this wall. So I don't know if they're actually changing out the fountain, because the fountain, I don't know, but these are the, I'm guessing, new planters that they currently put out. I'd say that without a festival going on, Epcot is kind of dead. Although it doesn't feel as hot today as it has the last week. But then again, I wasn't at Epcot, I was at Magic Kingdom. Maybe Epcot's not as hot. I don't know. Well, I find this interesting. The DVC Lounge is half of the Odyssey, which means the other half is open to non-DVC people, which means DVC or not DVC, you get the same privilege, basically. Wow. I'm assuming that's temporary. I hope that's temporary. All right, so confirmation on that from a Disney cast member that is a temporary DVC lounge. It's just for the next 5 weeks, and then they should finish up the renovations on the DVC lounge at the Journey into the Imagination Pavilion. And he liked my idea for that, but that's not for this vlog. He did leave up these nice remnants of flower and garden as the flowers that are over here, so that's nice. I don't know, what do you think? Should I head to Test Track one last time before it closes down next week for a new refurbishment? Well, one last time on Test Track the way it is now. Here we go. Test Track, presented by Chevrolet. I'm a single rider, I'm a single rider, I'm a single rider, I'm a single rider. Message, the clear message from Test Track is move on. Here we go for one last ride on Test Track.
Driving technology activated.
Welcome to the Sim Track. We'll begin with a test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
road service. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress.
All right, bye-bye, old test track. So I'm assuming they'll be maybe changing all this too, I guess. But anyway, I'm okay with test track changing, especially now that they have Tron and test track look a lot alike. So I did in fact just get confirmation from a cast member that about halfway through the show, the Encanto show, Mirabel and Bruno come out and they interact with the crowd and such. So I will have to come back and check that out for myself, because I was really surprised at the beginning that I didn't see Mirabel, but apparently she does come out. I missed that. My bad.
Oh, you guys must have heard the music. That's why you're both here. All right, everyone. I think I know what time it is. Vamos a bailar. Let's go!
For coming in today, everybody. Make sure that you leave a like. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, and click that notification bell, because when you click it, you stick it to the YouTube algorithm, and you'll be notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun, and live streams, and anything else that we got going on. We got a lot going on right now. Yeah, I was a little underwhelmed by the Communicore building. It's great name, at least. It's certainly nothing like what the Communicore used to be back in the 1980s, but it is what it is. But that's all we have for right now, because that's all they gave us, and it's not much. So until next time, we'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody. Ciao!